Hey everyone, it's Kevin and Todd here at Johnson Auto Body, and we'd like to hurry up and get you back to your movie, Fast and Furious 87. Todd, today what are we going to talk about?
Today we're going to talk about the different kinds of metals that are on cars and the way that they have to be repaired differently.
What, like aluminum?
Yep, you got aluminum.
What else we got? We got magnesium.
That's another good one, yep.
That's not like milk and magnesium, it's actually a metal.
Milk of magnesia, is that?
That's actually,
Okay, cool.
that's actually something you can take, man.
Okay.
Makes everything come out a little better, I think. We're going to talk about high-strength steel. High-strength steel is repairable, but you have to be careful with how much you heat it. You can't heat it over, I believe it's 400 degrees.
They're all different, right? We
Yes.
got to look in them. Every one of them's got different recommendations. We have to look at the procedures to see how hot anything can get. All the regular steel can usually be heated, but all the high strengths, right, can't do much of that. Ultra high
strength has a lower heat point.
Yeah, I don't even know if you can heat. Most of them, I don't think we can even heat them. We just cold repair and that's it.
And then we move on to what, boron.
Boron, yeah.
Boron is not repairable.
That's like ultra crazy high strength, right?
Yes.
And we can't repair that at all.
If it has a little dent in it, it's got to be replaced.
So aluminum, we can fix aluminum stuff, but it's a different procedure. It doesn't have memory like steel. Aluminum's repairable, it's just a little different. So it doesn't go back exactly where it was as easy. You got to make it do everything. And it doesn't like weld as easy, and that goes with our pulling stuff too. So like on a steel panel where we can weld a stud and pull things out to where it was, aluminum you gotta be really careful because you can blow a hole in it with our aluminum stud welder. So a lot of times what we try to do is use glue pulling for that, which is, you know, it glues right to the car to pull a dent out, and you use that to work the metal out and back to where it's supposed to be.
And as much as insurance companies want us to repair torn panels, we don't do that at this shop.
That's right. It's so hard to weld aluminum, and especially when it's already torn, you got two different things, and getting the heat right on two panels to go back together it's not something we're messing with here. Oh, aluminum, so aluminum frame cars and things like that. We can't just go yanking on the frames like a steel frame that'll spring back and stuff like that, because you'll just crack it or rip it. So most aluminum stuff is just, if it's messed up on a frame, cut it off and start over. There's no fixing that. A lot of the body panels are gonna be aluminum. This one has a lot of boron and ultra high strength steel in it, so that's what Kevin's working on right now, creating a repair plan for this one. Probably not gonna make it, to be honest, because there's so much of that boron steel that's gotta be replaced. Kind of like you got like an aluminum can, and you can stand on that aluminum can and it'll hold you up, but you dent that side of it a little tiny bit and it just crumbles. So it's kind of the same idea with a car on that stuff. So if you've got any repair questions at all, you know, we're your guys. We know what we're talking about. We've worked on a ton of cars. And they change every day, so we have to look them up and see what's changed daily. So we stay on top of that stuff. So if you ever have any questions, just swing by or give us a call here at Johnson Auto Body.
All right, Todd, I think our customers now are ready to get back to their movie, Fast and Furious. I think we're up to what, 104 now. But if you ever need your car repaired, I am a little bit more serious than I act on TV. Come on down here to Knightdale and see us here at Johnson Auto Body.